Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to change the light on a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan bulb replacement tutorial. Step 1. Turn off the power. Turn off the ceiling fan and light, then switch off the circuit breaker for extra safety. Wait for the bulb to cool if it was recently on. Second one is place a ladder. Put a sturdy ladder under the fan, then make sure you can safely reach the light fixture. Third one, remove the light cover. Hold the glass cover with one hand, then twist it counterclockwise, remove the bottom knob or loose the screws. Then carefully take the cover off. Fourth one is remove the old bulb. Turn the bulb counterclockwise, then remove it from the socket. Fifth one, install the new bulb. Use the same bulb type to do not exceed the recommended wattage. Then turn the new bulb clockwise until it is snug. Do not over tighten it. Sixth one is reattach the light cover. Place the glass cover back, then tighten the screw, twist the cover into place or reinstall the bottom knob. Make sure the cover is secure. Seventh is turn the power back on. Turn the circuit breaker back on, then switch on the light. Check that the new bulb works properly. Thanks for watching.